Hi guys. Let's see how to keep the calculator app always on top in Windows 10. The calculator app on Windows 10 is one of the helpful programs to do quick calculations from simple to complex, and it is available on all Windows editions. It is feasible to keep it at the top of all other Windows if you have been using it regularly. Here's how to keep Windows 10's calculator app above other Windows. Launch the calculator app from the Start menu or using the search on the taskbar. Now tap on the Always on Top icon next to the Standard. If you have switched to the Scientific mode, click on the three lines on the top left corner and select Standard. The calculator will pop out to a new window that remains always on top of other windows. You can drag it around or resize it to your liking. This is how you can keep the calculator app always on top in Windows 10. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.